Tired of sending emails that look exactly the same to everyone, making people tune out? Today, I'll show you how to use HubSpot's smart content in emails to make messages feel personal without turning your life into a spreadsheet. I'm Garo Aroian, and welcome to HubSpot Shortcuts. Let's go. If you are on Marketing Hub Professional or Enterprise, this video is for you. And if you're not sure which tier you have, check your account settings or with your admin because you'll need that level to follow along. Smart content is simply content that swaps itself depending on who's viewing it. So the same email can show different images, headlines, call to actions to different people based on rules you set up. Before we start, make sure you have Marketing Hub Professional or Enterprise, a contact list or property to base your rules on, and one email draft in the drag and drop editor to experiment with. Use the smart content for things that matter, like showing trial users a finished setup, CTA, while showing new customers a new feature message. So each person gets a relevant next step. So I'm in the Marketing Hub, so I will click on the marketing email, of course, and then we can either create a new email or we can go to an existing one that we want to play with, this one. And I want to edit the email, and this way we can add the smart rules. This could be a hero image where you can either change it by clicking here, adding smart rules, or it could be on the text itself. So you can have smart rules for text based on different criteria. First, hover over the module, click on more, this arrow, and then you can have add smart properties, add smart content, and then you can choose the segment membership, add a rule, and then in this case, I want to have, let's say, the hot leads that I have. That's one, and then I can have other rules as well, or just one in here, because I want the prospects that are active and have deals to see different hero images and CTAs. Now I go and save it, and then we have the smart module. This is one that you can then click on. You can see who sees what, and then for the hot leads, I can go in, replace this, have a different, let's say, logo. For my hot leads, they will see Lufthansa. For my default, they will see Facets. Each of these will have a separate thing, and then we can have more and more properties to adjust. We can do the same with buttons. So you can have a button, and with the button, you can also hover over it, have a specific smart rule, choose the membership, show specific things for your existing customers, different segments, and so on. So you can save it. You can have a separate button. You can say book an onboarding call for your customers, and you can have for a default view, you can have a specific book a demo call for everyone else. And then it does take this to the demo call link, and that's it. So you can then, in order for you to check if everything is good or not, you can preview it specifically for a contact. If I know some contact is already a customer, I can check with the specific one. It says book a demo. If somebody is in the customer list, they will be able to see a different one. Let's say I have an actual customer, they will see a different picture, they will see a book onboarding call, and that is how you can do the smart content. Don't overcomplicate it. Start with one or two smart swaps per email. Always have a sensible default and document which lists control, which content, so you don't inherit a mess next month. After you send the emails, compare open and click rates by segment and see if smart version drives noticeable better clicks. You've got a winner, but be sure to wait fair enough for enough data to be populated before celebrating. If your contact data is sparse, smart content will show the default for most people, so prioritize cleaning fields that are necessary. Always check the default and make sure it looks good. Once you're comfortable, layer in behavior lists, localized language swaps, and even smart call to actions that send different audiences to different landing pages for a tighter funnel. So remember, even a small change can make your emails feel much more personal. Try swapping one or two modules with smart rules and share your wins below in the comments. I'm Garo Aroian, and this is HubSpot Shortcuts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.